Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make Togo bean stew. Begin by sorting and rinsing beans, then soak them to soften. Use stock for deeper flavor and brown aromatics first to build a savory base. Add tomatoes, peppers, and spices gradually, simmer gently until beans are tender, and finish with a splash of acid and fresh herbs for brightness. Taste and adjust salt, spice, and consistency before serving. Gather your ingredients and measure everything before heating the pot. This keeps the cook flow calm and pleasant. Choose dried beans and soak them if you have time, or quick soak to speed things up. Use a mix of sweet and hot peppers to layer heat, and keep stock or water at the ready to maintain a gentle simmer. Finish with herbs and a splash of acid for balance. Heat oil and gently sauté onions, garlic, and ginger until translucent and fragrant. Add your spices and toast them to bloom their flavors. Stir in tomatoes and peppers, then add soaked beans and enough stock to cover by an inch or two. Simmer steadily until beans are tender, skimming foam as needed, then mash a few beans to thicken and finish with herbs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.